Captain Wooba here with HobbyCaptain.com. At HobbyCaptain.com, you will find the world's largest selection of free paper airplane patterns. In this clip, we're going to be taking a look at an airplane I've called the Sprinter, a small paper airplane with a small wing surface area and a large vertical stabilizer. It makes for short, fast, erratic flights and can be pretty darn fun to fly. Well, let's get folding. I went over to HobbyCaptain.com and I printed my paper airplane pattern. Now, if you've never used one of these patterns before, I recommend you going to the Getting Started page and following along with the paper airplane pattern instructions. Well, let's take a look at this pattern. So, as you can see here, there are 5 total steps in this pattern and only 2 line types. Now, the solid line represents a fold, and that means when we fold along this line, we want the line to be on the outside of the fold. And the dashed line represents a reverse fold. On that fold, you're going to fold the paper so that the line is on the inside of the fold. Okay? And so as we step through this here, line 1 will be a fold, line 2 will be a reverse fold, line 3 will be another reverse fold, line 4 will be a fold, and 5 will be a reverse fold. Now, on step 4 here, you'll see that there are 2 4s. You can fold either one of them first, and just attempt to fold the other side to match the first, and the same will be true with step 5. Finally, here we have a PC there, and what that means is paper clip. When you're done folding, put a paper clip there, and that will really help this paper airplane to fly. Well, let's fold this thing up. So line 1 will be a fold. So we'll just fold the paper right along that line. And because this is a fold, I want the line on the outside of the fold so you can see the line when the fold's made. Okay. Line 2 is a reverse fold. So that fold will be hidden by the line. But in this case, I think this is easier to make it a fold first and then reverse it. So I'm going to make a fold here. And now I'm going to make it a reverse fold. So that just softens up the paper, kind of lets me see where to make the line without much hassle. Okay, so line 3 is a reverse fold. So this one will just fold this up, bring these wings together. Fold, that should have put it nicely on line 3, and let's see how it did. Pretty good. I'm going to go off a little bit there, but that's okay. Okay, so now we're on to 4, and 4 is a fold. So I need that line to be on the outside of this fold. So it'll come right up there. Fold nicely right there. There's step 4, and now there were 2 step 4s, so I've got to go to the other side. And this one I'm going to, instead of trying to fold it nicely along that line, what I'm going to try to do is line it up with the other side and then fold it down, and that's, you can see here that I messed up a little bit from earlier, but that's okay. It's just airplane. And now line 5, try to fold nicely along that line. And the second line 5, and again on this one, I'm going to attempt to line up the other 2. So there we go. And finally, we put a paper clip right here where it says PC. So we'll just take a paper clip and put it right about there. Now you can adjust where this is, play around with it a little bit, and it'll fly significantly better. All right, well, I hope you have a good time. Please let me know what you think of this paper airplane and of my patterns in general. Leave a comment, and thank you for watching.